BNC. Third one is PL259 SO239. This is the cheapest.
BNC is better than
SSMA, it doesn't have your
because
charge.
it has a higher
They
balance.
also used to tell that.
SMA is
SMA and all, you
And
can
one
do
more.
long runs of the cable.
See, this is for communication. But apart from communication, there is a field called broadcast. Your cable TV, there the best choice, the commonly adopted is BNC or F-type connector. Why? It starts from 60 meg to almost 1.2 gig. F-type connectors work very well. And occasionally for the instrumentation, they use BNC, not SO239, not PL259.
SO239 is a non-constant impedance. It varies from 0 to 200 volts.
It is never the same.
are called UHF main and UHF.
That is commercially given as a name. The product designation is PL259, SO239.
That's all.
See, if you look at all the test instrumentation, calibration equipment, it is always N-type or BNC.
N is Navy connector. Navy connector. N is BNC is Bayonet Navy connector. And incidentally, N and BNC are waterproof connectors. UHF are not waterproof. If you want your coax to last, use N-type.
But why we use N-connect?
It's not all rubber sealing those things and all that.
Yes, it is there.
Coaxial cable is like a sponge. It will take in water
Yeah,
like.
definitely.
In spite
Corrode.
of it,
Water does not go lot of it commit the UHF goes from radio wet
No, the reason is from the operator's point of view, or installation point of view. UHF connectors is purely practical field requirement. It is not RF design or anything. It is not efficient, but practically it is useful. Why does my watch have a clip like this? It is efficient.
It is only for amateurs, not for professionals.
Really? So connectors, this is the bandwidth or this is the models, this is the theory and practice behind that. Every instrumentation, test, calibration, etc. will have only N connector. Let it be 1 megahertz or 6 gigahertz. They have N connectors only. The second choice is BNC. The last one is UHF. And every connector, irrespective of N, F, S, whatever, every connector gives you a loss. There is a loss associated with every connector. That solder connection also is a very particular method of putting it on board. Because that point becomes a leaking point. It is like connecting a 1 inch dia with a half an inch dia. That point will give you a loss.